Now that we have our macro, our first macro, the macro test that is all done, we want to save it in our file. And to do so, we're going to save our file in a different format. As you can see here, it's actually in a .xls6, but we want the Excel binary workbook. Why do I want this? I want the binary format because it includes all macros without any kind of macro security settings and so on. So it's quite faster and easier for any user to actually open a file and it's ready to use. But most importantly, it's because usually when we use macros, it's also because we have a lot more data than just those few rows here. We generally have like 1,000 or more than a couple of thousands and more rows of data. So the thing is with the binary format is that actually it makes sure that the weight of the file is smaller than it would actually be with another format. So this is the main reason why we save all that in a binary format, and I actually encourage you to do the same because it's easier, faster, and most importantly, it takes less space, less memory space.